A few sunny days at the end of February encouraged us to get back on the road. We are fans of Zeeland, the country that literally lies in the sea, where endless beaches merge seamlessly into beautiful nature reserves. Impressive embankments and bridges connect the various peninsulas. We travel through this exceptional scenery to the final destination of our short 4-day journey, Rotterdam. In Rotterdam, we stayed at the city campsite, just 5 kilometers from the center, an ideal starting point for a discovery tour with our bikes. Cycling in Rotterdam is a joy, but cycling through the tunnel under the river Maas is a pretty unique experience. Apart from cycling, there are plenty of other public transport facilities, like the water taxi. Or how about this amphibious bus that dives into the Maas after a tour of the city? Rotterdam has a nice mix of city districts, in which architecture and water play a leading role. It's a city that is constantly evolving and innovating. The most beautiful views are along the water. The Erasmus Bridge dominates the skyline. South of it is a district with the building of the former headquarters of the Holland-America line. Once, thousands of emigrants left here full of hope for a better life in North America. The building, now a hotel, is a national monument and a powerful link to Rotterdam's history of emigration and shipping. Delfts Haven is one of the few parts of the old city that survived the bombing of Rotterdam in 1940. Here we see a typical Dutch picture, a picturesque harbour with canal houses, quite different from the rest of the city. This monumental mill at the entrance to the harbour is one of the largest in the Netherlands. If you are a fan of shopping, Rotterdam is the place to be. The diversity of the city is also reflected in the shopping facilities. An indoor market can be found in many cities, but Rotterdam's Markthal is an eye-catcher in a bold architectural style, with housing and a massive work of art on the ceiling. We finish our visit at what must be the most remarkable architecture in the city, these yellow cube houses from the 1980s. Meanwhile, the sun is setting over the city on these sunny but chilly February days, and we return to the campsite. Our short visit to Rotterdam is over. The next morning we are on our way home.